Hi, welcome back. So guys, as part of the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can download the Node and as well as the Java. So today, let us see how exactly we can configure the Android Studio, for which I'm just opening my browser. Android Studio download. Search for this. Click on a first link. It will navigate to the Android Studio downloads page. And here there is an option to download the Android Studio. Click on it. And if you scroll down, here there is a checkbox and then a download option will be displayed. I have a read and click on this download. It will take a 5 to 10 minutes to complete that particular downloads. Okay. I have already downloaded that Android Studio. Let me double tap on it and let me try to open this particular Android Studio. Okay. So I just launched my Android Studio. Ideally, guys, what is the significance of the Android Studio here is in your machine, in order to get the complete Android software into your machine. So this Android Studio would be helpful. Android Studio is a bundle that has a complete Android software in it. So whatever the Android configuration that you need to do, whatever the virtual devices you want to handle, all those things you can do using an Android Studio itself. As and when you clicked on it, it will ask you a confirmation message. Click on a next, and then here is the confirmation message. It's showing it up. Click on a next button until you find a finish or an install. So I do have an install. So just click on this particular install. Ideally, this Android Studio installation will take some time. Okay, this installation will take some time, but let it install basically. And if I click on a show details, right, so it's extracting all these files. So what it does in a simple note, as I said, guys, so the complete Android software is being downloaded into your machine. So whatever the Android software is there, the full lengthy Android software is gonna pull it here. And consider that you don't have any Android devices with you. Okay, using this particular Android Studio, you can create a virtual device. Okay, of course, by default, there is a virtual device, and you can create your own virtual device and you can work on that particular virtual device if at all you don't have any real devices with you. Ideally, the usage of a virtual devices, Android virtual devices, is a bit less. So, in a simple terms, right, we can how exactly we can call it as an Android virtual device is an emulator, and as well as an iOS virtual device, we treat it as a simulator. Both are virtual devices, but Android one we treat it as an emulator, guys. Okay, that's fine. So let it finish the installation. The installation will take some time. Okay, let it. Okay, it's I think it may need additional 3 to 4 minutes. Let's wait and see. That's fine. So the ultimate chunk here is you need to download the Android Studio and you need to update the environmental variables with the Android Studio path. So what I am doing in the time being here is I'm navigating to a folder, right click on this PC, go to properties. So in the previous session, we have already done this one, which is up to navigating to the environmental variables. The same step I'm doing here, advanced system settings and environmental variables. Under the system variables, you need to create a new variable and you need to name it as an Android home. And what is the path at which location your Android is installed? You need to specify that path. So here it is saying as a completed. Click on a next, click on a finish. That's it. The Android Studio successfully installed, with which internally the Android software got installed to our machine. But ideally, a question that comes in our mind, Surendra, where exactly the software got installed? So go to your C drive, users, your username, app data, local, Android SDK. So here is a place where exactly your